Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring the serene art of sleeping well and deep. In this video, we will dive into a timeless Buddha story about sleep and share 7 practical tips to help you achieve a good night's rest. These insights will help you sleep better and enhance your overall well-being. So let's begin our journey to a peaceful night's sleep. Once upon a time, a wise monk named Ananda lived in a quiet village in ancient India. Ananda was known for his calm demeanor and profound wisdom. Despite his peaceful nature, Ananda struggled with sleep. He would lie awake at night, his mind racing with thoughts and worries. One day, Ananda decided to seek advice from the Buddha. He traveled to the monastery and humbly asked, "Great Buddha, I cannot sleep well. My mind is restless and I find it hard to achieve a deep, restful sleep. Can you help me?" Buddha smiled gently and said, "Ananda, let me tell you a story. There was once a farmer named Suman. Suman worked hard in the fields every day but struggled with sleep at night. He would lie in bed, replying the day's events and worrying about the future. One evening, as Suman sat by the river, he noticed how calm the water was. He realized that the river reflected the moon perfectly when it was quiet, but when disturbed, it became chaotic and unclear. Buddha continued, "Just like the river, our mind needs calmness to reflect peace and allow us to sleep well. Here are 7 tips to help you achieve a calm mind and a good night's sleep. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Keep it calm, dark, and quiet. Remove any distractions such as electronic devices and create a comfortable sleeping space. Use soft, calming colors and make sure your mattress and pillow support restful sleep. Establish a bedtime routine. Consistency is critical to training your mind and body for sleep. Develop a relaxing pre-sleep routine such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. Going to bed and waking up simultaneously every day, even on weekends, help regulate your internal clock. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Just as someone learned to calm the river, you can relax your mind through mindfulness and meditation. Spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness. Focus on your breath, let go of the day's worries, and bring your attention to the present moment. This practice can reduce stress and prepare your mind for sleep. Limit caffeine and heavy meals. Avoid consuming caffeine and large meals before bedtime. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours and disturb sleep, while heavy meals can cause discomfort and indigestion. Instead, if you are hungry before bed, opt for a light snack. Stay active during the day. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster, enjoy deeper sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days, but try to avoid vigorous activities close to bedtime as it may have the opposite effect. Manage stress and worries. As Ananda struggled with a racing mind, managing stress and worries is essential. Write down your thoughts in a journal to clear your mind before bed. Create a to-do list for the next day so you can address your concerns proactively. This practice helps you let go of the day's stress and focus on rest. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's sleep cycle. Try to turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bed. Instead, engage in calming activities that don't involve screens, such as reading a book or listening to soothing music. Buddha concluded, "Ananda, by creating a peaceful environment, establishing a bedtime routine, and calming your mind, you can achieve restful and deep sleep. Remember, a calm mind is like the still river, reflecting the tranquility of the moon. Practice these tips and you will find peace in your sleep." Ananda took Buddha's advice to heart and implemented these practices. Over time, he noticed a significant improvement in his sleep quality. His mind became calmer and he could finally enjoy a deep, restful sleep. The wisdom he gained from Buddha not only improved his sleep but also enhanced his overall well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better sleep. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom and practical advices. Share your experiences and sleep tips in the comments below. Until next time, may you find peace and tranquility in your sleep.